Have you heard about the self-lender account and you're wondering, what is that? And is it going to help me at all fix my credit? Well, keep watching and I'll give you all of the information from my perspective. Hi guys, and thanks for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks that'll help you on your road to financial success. And today I'm talking about the self-lender account. Yes, that's right. I have a card from them and I wanted to give you some information about the self-lender account because I did go ahead and sign up for it. So I talked about it about 2 or 3 months ago, I think. And I was just talking about how this account can help build up your credit score and you will also be saving money. So I went ahead and signed up for it because I wanted to see what it was all about and I wanted to tell you guys all about it. Now, because you're my Financial Spotlight family, I need to bring that information to you. And if you're not a part of the family, please subscribe to the channel so that you can get more information like this every single week here at the Financial Spotlight. And we would love to have you as a part of our family. And as a part of our family, I'm going to give you a little bit of information. So with the self-lender account, I went online. You go in, you download the application to your cell phone. And you just basically put in all of the information that your pertinent information, name, social security number, all of those type of things, address, etc. And then you tell them what kind of account you want. So I went ahead and got the lowest account because I wasn't really sure about it. I didn't want to put too much into it and be, disappointed. So I signed up for the lowest account. I think it was a $564 type of line or credit line or whatever. And I signed up for that, which means that I pay them, or I put in, or I deposit rather, $42 a month. Now, in signing up for this, once you sign up, this is like a line of credit. It's supposed to go on your credit report. It shows that you have another type of credit on there, and it shows that it is in positive standing. So as I deposited every month, I saw that it was helping my credit score just a little bit, not a lot. It didn't go up that much because of it, but it was helping out a little bit because it showed on-time payments. It showed that I wasn't taking any, excessively putting the limit up or anything like that. So this went on for about 3 months. And then after the 3-month time period, they offered me the ability to get a secured credit card. Now, with that secured credit card, that is secured with the money that I've already put into the account. So I think it was like $100 or $125. It's not much, but it's something to help build your credit up. So as I put the money in, or deposited the money into the account, they allowed me to have a credit card, and it was a secured credit card, and it was at the limit of $100. Now, that is not a high limit. And sometimes people will say it's better not to have a credit card if you're going to have a low limit credit card. But for me, like I said, I was testing it out. I'm trying to see if it's going to be beneficial to my credit score. So it has been. And because it's showing on-time payments, it's showing my ability to pay every month. It also gave me the extra little $100 that I've already paid into it, but the little extra $100 just in case, as an emergency, just in case, on this credit card. This credit card is also an additional type of credit on my account. On my credit score. So not only do I have the account or the line of credit loan type of thing with self-lender, Then I also have this as a secured credit card with Self as another form of credit. So there I have two things in one. And for me, that is a great deal. I'm not doing anything. They did not check my credit. They did, however, check my ability, or not my ability, but yeah, my ability to pay, and also just making sure that my residency was correct, that I was, and I indeed lived where I said I lived. And other than that, I didn't have to do much but pay every month into this account. And again, like I said, at the end of the time frame of after a year, I will have that amount in a savings account, and I can get it sent out to me in a check, or they'll direct deposit it however I request. And then that's money that I have saved up over 1 year time. So for me, the benefits are good. Some people might say it's not beneficial for them. And like I said, there's other options. You don't have to stick with the lowest amount like I did, because you can always have a higher amount that you put in for, and that you're paying more money in every single month. For me, it was better for me to pay less, because I'm trying to figure out if this is even something worth doing. And you can definitely build your credit score up with it. And I would highly recommend, if you don't have anything else, or if you're looking to start rebuilding your credit, this is something that you should really look into. I will put a link in the description box below that you can use to sign up. You don't even have to really sign up. You can use it to just look over the account, see if this is something that interests you, that will benefit you and your life. And once you look at it, you'll see that it possibly could help you in the long run. And also, if you're like 18 years old and you haven't even established any credit or anything like that, this would be a good way to start establishing credit slowly but surely, to get used to having credit, having a credit card, being responsible, doing on-time payments, making sure that you pay your monthly notes every month. And I would also suggest making sure that if you do sign up for this, make sure that you get automatic payments deducted from your checking account, because once you have those automatic payments coming out, that's going to look great on your credit score, because it shows that you're making those on-time payments. So if you have any questions about the self-lender account or the secured credit card with them, go ahead and leave those in the comment section below. I will definitely respond. And if you have experienced self-lender and you have anything to say about it, pros and cons, leave those in the comment section too. We would all love to read them and see what your experience is with it. So are you interested in getting one of these and having a self-lender account to build up your credit? Let me know. And also, don't forget to check out the link in the description box so that you can get more information about it. Thanks for joining me. Like this video, share it with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the Financial Spotlight family so that you can get more information like this every single week here at the Financial Spotlight. Thanks for joining me, and have a good one. Bye.